birthday everywhere.
It's your birthday.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday are you? How old are you? How old are you? Alright, that's cool.
Happy 7th birthday. Ellie. Coley Bear. Alright. Birthday. Alright, let's see the card. Hold it up. I'll read it to you. It says, it's party time. And I'm not kidding. Skylar, happy birthday. Today you turned 7 and I can't believe it. You are the best daughter I can have asked for.
You okay?
Yeah.
Just like you. Love Mom and Dad. What is it? Take it out. Let me see.
Wow.
What is this?
Wow.
Can
Can I drive it? Can I ride it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
That's cool.
That is pretty.
It's easy to fold. You can fold it out when you're not using it.
Who gave me this? Wow.
What is that?
I don't know.
Fold it up.
Is this a blanket for your bed?
Yeah, I think so.
Ooh. Now you got a new unicorn blanket. I'm putting that on my bed.
No.
Open it up.
I want to open it on the couch.
Yeah. Don't let it drop. Just pull the paper out.
Oh my God. A Hello Kitty mug.
You could put your noodles in that.
Huh?
You could put your noodles in it. Like when you have ramen noodles.
Yeah.
You can put ramen noodles into a mug.
It's small enough. I mean, it's big enough.
What's this?
Open it up.
Can't come in now.
Get everything out.
Okay. Okay. It's big.
What is it?
Later, having dinner, the family.
All right, so we're finally off from work. You guys seen Sky open up her presents this morning. We're gonna get ready to head out to Target so that she can pick out a gift. And then Cam gets a gift too, so that's how things work in our household. If it is a sibling's birthday, the other sibling gets a toy just to make it fair. And we're also gonna go out to eat at Applebee's, and then I also need to pick up her cake. So what better way to show you guys the cake until after I basically will pick it up. So join us. It's really hot out here. So we're here at Applebee's. It is yummy. They got Cheetos, boneless wings.
Alright, that's cool. I'll go with that. Alright.
I was gonna do the.
I finished this word.
You found a word?
Yeah.
What word?
FRLES.
Alright, we're gonna play tic-tac-toe. Alright, orange is not gonna show up. What other colors do you have? You only have orange and. Alright, I guess. Here we go. I'm O. You go.
That's not good. Scott.
No, it's cool. It's cool. All right, so we're done at Applebee's. I'm gonna head over to get Sky's cake, and I'll show you guys at home. You're gonna like it, Coley.
This cake is amazing. Can I keep the lid? This? Let's open it. I want to keep this.
All right, so check out Sky's birthday cake. I have no idea what this is, but yeah. Got some candles here. Light them up.
Big 7. 7. Yay. And the stars are sticking
All right, so we got 7 candles here. Let's go ahead and light them all up. And you can blow them out when everybody comes in. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
1, 2. All right, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Skylar.
Coley.
Coley,
Happy
Skylar.
birthday
Happy birthday
to you.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
7.
All right, so look. This the
Blow out
part-
your candles.
Wait. So this is the part where you close your eyes. And just close your eyes. Close your eyes. You make a wish.
Okay.
You think of your wish. You keep it to yourself. Once you finish thinking of your wish, you blow your candles out.
Okay.
Yay!
Woo!
Good job.
Ready for some cake?
Yeah.
All right, Sky wants to see what's in here. Obviously, it's just stickers, but this is something that you can keep. So, it's just to keep this on. So, cake isn't bad after all. It's marbled. They called me this morning and said they didn't have any more vanilla, but they do have marble, which is fine. So, I'm gonna take and run with it and enjoy my piece of cake and get ready to relax. It's been a long day.